To not have any weeds in the garden, or virtually none. There's some clover, here's a dandelion, some creeping Charlie. But it cuts weeds down probably by 95%. It's just lawn clippings. I bag my lawn when I mow it and then spread it on the garden where the plants are. The peas are coming up really well here. And I've put grass clippings all the way around those just to keep those weeds down, and it keeps the ground moisture or more wet, and worms love it, so they're aerating that soil and the plants so that those roots can get oxygen. I've done this for years, works really well. The mulch also keeps the soil cooler. And I'll put on, now this has gotten stepped on and squished down, but when it's fluffy, there's probably 3 to 6 inches thick. And over the course of the summer, this will decompose and just disappear. But it's worked well, done it for many years. Learned this from my dad and my mom many years ago, and have done it for a long time. Works really well. Be sure and check out my other videos.